Hi, today we are going to learn how you can make custom settings to the various AiTrillion modules to make it fit in with the look and feel and the theme of your existing website. To do this, go to app.aitrillion.com and then log in with your registered credentials. Once you're logged in, you will see a screen similar to this one in the video. You then need to go to Module Settings, and in the module settings, make settings for each module that you use. Remember, the module has to have the blue enabled button, which means it is currently enabled, and then you can make the settings. If it is disabled and has a gray button like this, you can always click on it to enable it. Let us look at the settings for loyalty rewards. So just click on the Go to Settings button. In the Go to Settings button, you have options for customizing the loyalty rewards button. This is the preview. So for example, if your theme color is, let's say, a purple, and your theme text color is, let's say, a red, you can choose it according to your theme. And then you could have a button color in a slight pink, and so on and so forth. You can change the button name, and instead of reward, you want to, let's say, call it loyalty, or bonuses, or bonus points. The choice is yours, and the options are endless. Now, once you have made the settings, you can choose whether you want to show the loyalty button or not. You want to maybe hide the loyalty button in mobile screens, the button positions and all. Once you're done, hit Save Settings, and that is the loyalty button settings. You also have the loyalty panel settings, wherein you have the introductory pop-up, which comes in before login, and then the after login pop-up. For either one of these, you have the settings panel. You can choose the settings, and once you've customized your settings and made your choices, hit Save Settings. You can also go back to the module settings to make further settings for other options and modules that you use. For example, we can look at settings of the review panel. So the customer review profile icon color, so you could say maybe a red, and the star icon color could be a blue. The choices are yours, and basically the concept of making these settings is to help it merge well with your website and with your themes, colors, and options on the site itself. Once you're done with settings, hit Save. Go back to module settings, and you can make choices for, let's say, the AI box. Again, you have button options. You have we currently use a default AiTrillion AI icon, the blue and the white, but you can change this icon at any time. Choose one from the library or upload a new icon. The AI box header settings, pre-login, and then the post-login header settings. Once you're done, hit Save, and that's your AI box settings. You also have in the module settings the AI chat settings. The AI chat settings allow you to customize an icon. Once again, you can choose one from the library or upload a new one of your choice. You have the icon position, the pop-up theme colors. So when the pop-up that appears once you click on the icon, you have the theme color for that, which can be, you can choose options that help the entire chat pop-up merge in or blend in with the rest of the site in a much better manner than normal. Once you've done settings, click Save, and you have just saved the settings for AI chat. You can go back to module settings and customize any setting that you need. So for example, if you were to customize the recommended product settings, you could do that. And you have the options here as well. If you need any other help on various customization settings for any module, please feel free to use our resources or else live chat with us. The live chat button will appear on the bottom of every help page, and it will also appear on www.aitrillion.com. So if you go to www.aitrillion.com, you'll notice here is the live chat icon. So you can chat with our support team at any time, or you can use one of our available resources, be it the blog, knowledge base, our video library, onboarding guide, and so on. Feel free to chat with us anytime. We are available more or less 24/7. Thank you for taking a look at this video and have a good day.